Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're signed in and ready. Open the Foodpanda app and go straight to Profile, then Addresses. Tap Add New Address and type the full street name, building or unit number, city, and postal code so couriers can find you. Once done, drop the map pin precisely where your entrance or lobby is, because a misplaced pin wastes time and may cancel delivery. Make sure your phone number is current. Delivery partners call that if directions are unclear, so accuracy matters. Now refine details. Zoom the map and drag the pin to the exact doorstep or gate so drivers don't miss the location. Add a clear address label like home, work, or a nickname that you'll recognize in the future. This simplifies selection during checkout. Enter extra instructions such as buzzer code or gate hours. These save calls. When you're confident, tap Set as default so future orders use this address automatically unless you pick another one. Finish by saving the address and closing, then reopening the app to force a sync. This prevents stale cached addresses. You can quickly verify everything by starting a checkout and confirming the saved address appears as default and the map matches your entry. If something goes wrong, maps off, pin wrong, or address not appearing, make sure location permissions are allowed, clear app cache or re-add the address, and then try again. If still unresolved, contact Foodpanda support with a screenshot.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.